This is Ange from the Craft Time Studio, and today I'm going to teach you how to use silicone molds for polymer clay. So before we begin, I want to make sure that I clean my workspace first. I use a glass mat and I like to clean it by spritzing it with some alcohol and removing any lint using microfiber fabric. For this project, you will need silicone molds, a detail needle, a ball stylus, polymer clay, a soft brush, a tissue blade, and some mica powder. Since I want to do something with a bit of pearlized effect, I lightly brush my mold with mica powder. This also ensures that the clay does not stick to the mold. If you're just using a single color for your mold, simply condition your clay, roll it out in a ball, approximately the size of your mold, and pack it into the mold. Then, using a tissue blade, scrape off any excess clay until you see the outline of the mold. Think of the sutton slice because this is essentially what I'm going to do on these molds. Carefully pop out the shape and there you have it. Some very cute spring flowers. For this sunflower mold, I want to use two colors. For the disc or the inner part of the sunflower, I made a small ball and packed the clay using a ball stylus. To make sure that this sticks to the second color, I use a tiny bit of liquid Sculpey. Then I go ahead and place a second color and neaten the outline by scraping off the excess clay. And there you have it, a very spring-inspired slab using silicone molds. I hope you enjoyed my takeover video. If you haven't yet, do visit the Craft Time Studio on YouTube for tutorials on polymer clay. Bye!